Most object-oriented languages require you to plan a type hierarchy from day one. Go rejects that entirely. In Go, there are no classes and no type inheritance. You cannot say one type extends another. Instead, Go uses struct embedding. You place one struct inside another, and its fields and methods are promoted directly to the outer type. This is composition, not derivation. Your type tree stays flat. Go interfaces are different from Java or C# interfaces. You never declare that your type implements anything. If your struct has the right methods, it satisfies the interface, automatically and implicitly. This is called structural typing. 3 totally different types can satisfy io.reader without knowing each other exists. Here is struct embedding in action. Logreader wraps any io.reader by embedding it directly. The read method is promoted automatically, and logreader itself satisfies io.reader without any declaration. No inheritance chain, no fragile base class. Small building blocks compose into bigger ones cleanly. This drives a core Go idiom: accept interfaces, return structs. Write a function taking io.reader, and it works with files, network connections, or buffers. The standard library keeps interfaces small. Often just one method. Smaller interfaces mean more types can satisfy them naturally. In Go, compose with embedding, satisfy interfaces implicitly, and keep them small. That is the key to flexible, loosely coupled code. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.